For as long as I can remember, I've been fascinated by mountains drawn in by their silence, their power, and their mystery. As a kid, the Himalayas felt like a place that existed only in stories, towering peaks so far away they almost didn't seem real. I used to look at pictures and imagine what it might be like to stand in their shadow. I didn't know it then, but this dream was the beginning of my unforgettable adventure. Our journey began in Kathmandu, an incredible city bursting with life. The sounds, the colors, the rhythm of the streets, everything moved in beautiful chaos. And the way people drive there, very different from Europe. Wild, flowing, unpredictable, but somehow it all works. For us, it was the perfect introduction to Nepal. From the city, we rode into the mountains on motorbikes. Not the gentle start I once imagined, but a raw, thrilling leap into the unknown. The roads were rough, twisting through valleys and cliffs, and some sections barely counted as roads at all. The off-road riding pushed us far beyond anything we'd ever experienced. Every challenge made the landscape feel even more extraordinary. But while driving, we were amazed around every corner. It felt like Nepal was revealing a new world with every turn, dense forests stretching across the hillsides, waterfalls crashing down from hidden heights, and valleys glowing in layers of deep green. The trees stood tall and silent, guiding us through landscapes that felt untouched. Locals told us something we'll never forget. If it's green, it's a hill. The mountains are the ones that rise above everything else. And they were right. The real mountains, those massive snow-covered giants, stood far beyond the hills. Impossible to ignore and impossible to forget. Reaching Tilicho Lake became a journey of its own. A 3-day hike deep into the mountains. The further we walked, the worse the trails became. What started as rocky paths slowly turned into narrow, dusty tracks carved into steep cliffs. I kept a steady pace, but the locals had a good laugh at my friend's style. They told him he walked like a horse. And honestly, they weren't wrong. Up there, you can't rush anything. You have to take your time both for the walk and for the scenery. Every step revealed something new. A valley opening beneath us, a mountain peak rising higher than the one we thought was already massive, and the realization that the Himalayas always have one more surprise waiting. And then, finally, Tilicho Lake appeared, the highest place we have ever been. Surrounded by towering peaks, the world felt incredibly still, a moment of pure awe, a moment I'll carry forever. What a trip we had, from high mountain peaks to flat, dry lands, from small, almost unbearable roads to a highway without traffic. The trip had it all: safari and wildlife, busy streets and tourism. One thing is for sure. This was a journey I will never forget.